Hello everyone, my name is David and today we are going to make some Italian pizza. So first of all we need some water, we'll add some sugar, after that some yeast. Make sure that you stir your mixture very well because that's really important. Next up, take a bowl of flour. I took 7 cups, you can also take a little bit more or a little bit less. First of all, we are going to add our salt in it. After that, our extra virgin olive oil. Make sure that it's olive oil and not a different oil because that's very important. After that, we'll also throw our mixture that we made in the first step in it too. Make sure that you stir it very well because that's really important for our next step that we will have. So turn around your bowl, put your dough on a plate or on something. You really want to knead your dough. You want to make sure you do that for a good 20 minutes because that will be very important for our pizza, because if you don't do it well enough, your pizza will not be very good. It can be a little bit sticky, but that's totally normal. It looks great. After a good 20 minutes, we are going to put it back in our bowl. It can be a little bit difficult to put it inside the bowl, but that's totally normal. It is a little bit sticky, of course, as I said. After that, you will close your bowl very well. Yeah, I had some difficulties, but it worked out very well.
One eternity later.
Now we are 24 hours later.
Six months later.
After that, we are gonna add our sauce. You can use sauce that you make yourself, crushed tomatoes, or you can perhaps also just go to the Delhaize and buy some tomato sauce there. Make sure you really spread the sauce evenly around the pizza, because when it's gonna be in the oven, it will be very important that the sauce will be everywhere, also for our good taste when it's done. When you are done with the sauce, we'll throw on some cheese. Of course, again, you can choose if you crush cheese yourself, or you go to a Delhaize to buy cheese that's already in small pieces. I prefer to put a lot of cheese on it because I love cheese on the pizza. If you prefer a little bit cheese, you can go for a little bit. If you prefer medium, it's your choice how much cheese you put on it. So sauce and cheese are like the basic things you really want to put on your pizza. So after cooking for about 15 minutes on 200 degrees, our pizza is cooked very well. It looks really beautiful. I guess let's cut it open and see how it is. I hope I gave you guys a perspective on how to make a pizza.